Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about the past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense and how we will use the past continuous tense. Let's start our topic. Let's begin the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? The definition is those actions which were continued in past, or the action which were continuing in the past time, that is called past continuous tense. मतलब वो काम जो पास्ट में चल रहा था उसे पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं. जो पास्ट में, जो माजी में वो काम स्टार्ट था, वही चल रहा था, उसे पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं. आफ्टर दैट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज helping verb. What is the helping verb? Was and were. Was and were is the helping verb of past continuous tense. It is the helping verb of past continuous tense. This helps the sentence. The helping verb, it helps the sentence. How we will make the sentence? Because of helping verb. Because of helping verb we will make any sentences. So the next is positive formula. What is positive formula? I will tell you. Positive formula. Here or I will write the complete. Positive formula is here the first subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb with ing plus object is there plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb with ing. Why ing came here? Because of continuous tense. Because the continue means jari. Because when we are giving the ing, it means that it is the continuous tense. After that the object is there, then full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb with ing plus object plus full stop. The next is example. What is the positive example? They were drinking water. They were drinking water. This is our subject. What is our helping verb? The drinking is our first form verb with ing. First form verb with ing. After that object, then full stop is there. So it was the positive formula and this is the positive example. They were drinking water. वो पानी पी रहे थे. वो पानी पी रहे थे because they are coming. Mean वो बहुत. वो पानी पी रहे थे. They are in the group. They are as a group. वो ग्रुप के शेप में थे, मतलब वो बहुत सारे थे. That's why we are using they. After that the negative formula is there. What is the negative formula? Negative formula. What is the negative formula here? The same thing will come just in the between of helping verb and first form verb. The not will come. Here I will write subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form verb with ing plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form verb with ing plus object plus full stop. So this is the negative formula. And I will write now the negative example. How will I write the negative example? The same example I will write they are not, here I will give a little bit change the sentence. They are not playing hockey. They are not playing hockey. वो हॉकी नहीं खेल रहे थे. They is our subject. Sorry, they were. I've done a little bit mistake. They were not playing hockey. वो हॉकी नहीं खेल रहे थे. Here subject is there. After that helping verb. Then not is there. After not, first form verb with ing is there. First form verb with ing. After that object is there and full stop. So this is the negative example. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form verb with ing plus object plus full stop. So this is the negative formula and the negative example is there. Then after that interrogative formula. Interrogative formula. What is the interrogative formula? Here helping verb plus subject plus first form verb with ing plus object plus question mark. Here full stop is not coming because interrogative mean the question sentence. Interrogative mean the question sentence in which we ask the questions. That is the interrogative sentence. Helping verb will come at the first interrogative formula, then subject, then first form verb with ing plus object plus question mark. Plus object plus question mark. So it is the interrogative formula. Then how will write the example of interrogative? Was she cooking food or tea? Here making also coming. Was she cooking food? Or here the one sentence there. If we are changing the sentence, or was she making the tea? Was she making the tea? Here I will write another example. It is a little bit confusion will come here. Was she cooking food? Was she cooking food? Was is our helping verb. Then subject is there. After that first form verb with ing is there. Then food is there. It is our object. After that the question mark is there. And the next another example is there. What is it? How will I write another example? Was she making the tea? Was she making the tea? क्या वो चाय पका रही थी? Was she making the tea? क्या वो चाय पका रही थी? If the रही थी it came, it means that it is the past continuous tense because was were mean ता है, ती है, ते है. Urdu identification is ता है, ती है and ते है वगैरह etc. था है, ती है, ते है वगैरह. It means that it is the past continuous tense. So a lot of people are identifying the Urdu identification. Because of Urdu identification they identify the tense. Which tense is this? So this is the past continuous tense. And if you will have any question regarding this topic, regarding past continuous tense, So I am ready to answer you. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.